Hello, this is Craig Mertens, the Director of Product Education for Inktovo, the parent company for GraphicsFlow. I'm going to walk you through the May 2023 Art Drop for GraphicsFlow. We've started out May with camp and camping-related themes. We've incorporated earth tones into the designs for a rugged outdoor look. Next, we've created a variety of event-related graphics. Each one of these graphics can easily be localized to a new event or theme simply by changing the text or the clip art. Next up is family reunion and church-related themes. We've included both vintage and organic themes, as well as popular patch layouts. We included an action sports and motorcycle group. The two BMX graphics both incorporate text effects, including a drop shadow effect and a chisel font effect. Any of these designs can easily be adapted for a different activity or sport. We included a section of nostalgic resort wear graphics. These graphics include weathered overlay effects. The overlay can easily be removed from the graphic by selecting the bitmap layer on the graphic and simply deleting it. The text and clip art in the design are merely placeholders. In this adaptation, what I did is I took this patch layout, I changed the text, I added a copy of the text to create an outline effect, I swapped out the clip art, recolored the entire template, and I created a center front patch design for a hoodie, and I also created an embroidery patch for a baseball cap. In this next example, I converted a resort wear graphic into a corporate graphic. I removed the weathered overlay, I changed the font, I swapped out the clip art with an icon from the industry, and we created a dynamic looking graphic that's beyond just the corporate logo for this company. And you'll notice I set it up on a t-shirt and a promotional product. In this final example, I took this classic collegiate look and adapted it into a state championship design using school colors. I'm going to show you a marketing technique for getting fresh ideas in front of your customers. So what I did is I created an art approval. I added designs that I customized using the stock art customizer in GraphicsFlow. I added those to the art approval. I also downloaded these designs and created mock-ups and uploaded the mock-up into the art approval. And you notice I've added background colors around all of these as well. So I'm going to scroll down here so you can kind of see what we've got going on. So this is a portfolio page, and it's very easy for me to share this with my customer. Because if I go over here to share and select invite collaborators, I can grab this view only link. And if I copy and paste that view only link into an email, into a social media post, or even into a text message, the client can click on that link and they can see this showcase. So I'm just going to copy this link right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate this showcase into my art portal. So I'm going to go down here, select Art Portal, select Manage Settings. I'm going to add a navigation link, so I'll add a link, and I'll call it New Designs for May. I'll copy in that link, hit Apply, and now I'm going to drag and drop this link. I'm just going to drag it, and once I've repositioned it, I'm going to select Update Navigation to view the changes. I'm going to select View Art Portal, and now we've anchored that showcase right directly into our art portal. So if I click on that, you'll be able to see all of those designs. Your customer can go to your art portal, they can see your new artwork for the month, so let's go ahead and click on that. This is a great technique for showcasing your creativity. Are your competitors doing this? Probably not. So this is just one more way of setting yourself apart from the competition.